Did procrastination ever impact your work performance? Do you think managing it could improve your productivity? Wait no more. SlideTeam's insightful training module shed light on the concept of procrastination, its detrimental effects, the reasons behind it, and how to successfully overcome it. Equip yourself to tackle procrastination head-on with our detailed PowerPoint deck. Also, grab up to 15% off by clicking on the link in the description. The PPT preset begins by defining procrastination, setting the stage for a comprehensive discussion on this widespread yet often misunderstood habit. It delves into the harmful effects of procrastination, from missing out on wonderful opportunities and failing to meet goals, to more severe consequences such as lowering self-esteem, poor decision-making, and tarnishing reputations. Understand the reasons behind procrastination, exploring why it's such a common habit and how it affects our productivity and overall life satisfaction. The PPT deck introduces the vicious cycle of procrastination, revealing how it can trap us in a perpetual loop of inactivity and delayed tasks, creating a sense of chronic stress and dissatisfaction. Turn procrastination into productivity with our insightful PowerPoint module on understanding procrastination and strategies to deal with it. Click the link below to download. It outlines 6 distinct types of procrastinators: the worrier, the perfectionist, the overdoer, the crisis maker, the dreamer, and the defier. By understanding these profiles, identify your own procrastination patterns and develop more personalized strategies to combat them. Armed with an understanding of procrastination, move on to concrete strategies to overcome this habit. Techniques like making a list, breaking tasks into smaller parts, eliminating distractions, setting deadlines, taking regular breaks, figuring out your most productive time, and rewarding yourself are discussed in detail. Tired of postponing tasks? Gain actionable techniques from our PPT resource on understanding procrastination and strategies to deal with it. Click the link below to download. By gaining an in-depth understanding of procrastination and arming yourself with effective strategies to counteract it, you'll be well on your way to enhancing your productivity and achieving your goals. For more such business-related presentations and templates, visit www.slideteam.net today.